And this is fun for doing a short nails. That's it. I just want a little bit lighter because I want that to be a good background. Maybe we can do some pink with that. Pink and purple. I think Facebook need to be zoomed in a little bit. And also and I'm going to the purple Majestics right there. Oh, this one is really pigmented. Just a little bit. They're so like pigmented, so I'm gonna just like doing a really light touch. All you need to do is to using crystal clear and a piece of paper. That's all you need. I'm gonna do all of them first before I'm do transfer foil. So right now we do a purple and pink. All you need to do is take most of your crystal clear. You don't want your brush to be really soaking wet with your crystal clear. And I am using that brush to brush it on that piece of paper so then it won't, you know, be contaminating on that crystal clear. Touch this off. Hi Debbie, how are you? How's everyone doing? Okay? You can continue just drawing right from the outside, inside to wherever you want your veins gonna be. And then today, I am not gonna do the veins for that because I'm gonna do some cute, fun transfer foil on it. And you can do more if you want to create the veins is more, however you would like. You can guide it to the way you would like. Great. And make sure you wipe it off the brush first. Great. It's fun to do two colors together. And let me see. Ooh. There's so many different ways you can do that. I kind of like that one on that side. And or this one, however you prefer. This is so stunning. It's the same set of the transfer foil that I did. This is number 56. Look at that. Sorry, let me move it up so you can see it. Great. So let me doing transfer foil. I'm using Premium's iHo transfer foil. And it's gonna cure for us in, hey, Miss Tammy, for 30 seconds. Hey, Lins. Thank you, Kushio, New York. Thank you, love. Okay, so we probably is gonna do it just on the side, just a little bit. You know what? I am going to do untie the nails because I want to do some butterflies too. Okay, let's cure this for 30 seconds. And maybe we can do that butterflies. Which one would you like to see in this? I'm gonna do purple. Maybe pink. Doesn't matter, whatever you would like. Okay, you tell me where to stop. Purple, orange, yellow. Oh, yellow looks cute. Let me know which one you want. Hey, Fi, how are you? Blue. This blue? Yeah? If you want the blue, simply you just cut it. If you have a sticker, you can. If you're already on the transfer foil, you can absolutely, look at me cutting it. This is really cool, is separate that. You can absolutely do in your butterflies however you would like. I'm gonna do her, this one right there. It is so much fun, but it's any of you that don't have any stickers and you have a transfer foil with like 1,000 of that butterflies here, you can absolutely pull it off. Maybe let me see if I can do something different with the blue. Which one is that? I'm gonna using the blue a lot, so we'll see. There you go. Do 2 of this. Oh, I dropped that one. So doesn't matter, you can go is, I think the lavender though, you can do a side on this one. Or can do the lavender on that one. Maybe I'll do that one. However you would like. Tweeze it. I might have to double layer the butterflies on the transfer foil though, because the film right here is covered that part. See, I am going to do another layer of it, like double your foil and cure for 30 seconds. This one I'm gonna do 2 butterflies. All right, cure, and we are going to do this guy 30 seconds. And then maybe we'll do a smaller one. I'm gonna cut few of them. Look at that. Maybe we should do a green one. I know, CC, but that's part of it. I'm gonna cover all the marbles because it's short nails. But you don't have to. You can move your lavenders a little bit down. If you prefer, this is just for the, or you can get the little like lavender right here. You see what I mean? Just getting a little one. You don't have to cover it like me. 30 seconds? But you still have some. Do I do it whole upside down? Can you get that one? I dropped my butterflies on the floor. She couldn't get it back up. Right there. I think the other ones go this way. This one going the right way. So depend on however client, if you are doing it on the client's this side, you can using this kind of big butterfly, but sometimes, you know, you see that the clients love big butterflies. However, it depends. And the clients like smaller one, you can absolutely have a smaller one. I really like this one. Beside the sticker that we have, this is so vibrant. All right. Let's see how our butterfly turned out. Look at it, transfer everything. Doesn't have nothing left. And that one. Make sure they are rubbed. Press it on. If you feel missing any spot, just like it back up and it will transfer for you. Here you go. And now, no more crystal. Should we do crystal? Leave it alone today with no crystal. Because we want to cover that. See, there's no Nancy, it's going to cover everything. It will, because it's short nails. Because look, if I'm doing the flowers on this, just hold 1 second. I'm using one of the flowers. Just thinking of maybe blue flowers, like right there. I can do that, huh? Should I? Oh, let's do it. Hey, why not? See, I still have some fusioning in it. I'm just curious about this. Wow. Okay. Condensed glue gels. That's how you're gonna hold all of that crystals. I'm really in love with this. I got this set with this flowers last few weeks, and it was so amazing. All my cute flowers stay on, and none of them came off until I removed them. So let's go in with this. Just a little bit, or you don't have to get the flowers, you can get a pearls in there. We see how we can create some look with this. I am going to using condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna apply whole and tie the nails, because I'm not sure when I'm playing some of my pearl. I'm freaking like so obsessed with this $5 nail art. I'm gonna do a lot of fun thing with this. All right, everyone, where my crystal pick? Okay, and remember to doing a no wipe top coat. Let's see what we're getting right there. We got some bar with some crystal in there, with some flowers, some beads, and some pearl. Let's see how it's gonna holding for us. Even, you know what, be honest, if you leave it alone, it's freaking